Okay, see? It looks like pee-pee and poo-poo. Fuck. This patch here. This patch came with the jacket. And that too, you know? Excuse me. Like, and my life's a wreck now. My life's a wreck now. Jack shows reviewing your cooking techniques. What are they saying? Anyway, I'm gonna go put dishes and stuff away. Who did that? Which one of you did that? Anyway, like, I thought, like, is that absolutely necessary and relevant to the news I'm giving? It has the same energy. Love the shirt. Thank you, Lila.
I'm telling you, I have never heard one opinion.
Women make... We live in a society. I added the butt pimps part.